Hi everybody, it's Nadia here again, and I'm bringing to you a makeup look that I brought in a haul a couple of videos ago, and I just wanted to test out these new products that I've actually got and see whether or not they are good for my skin. Also, it's more base products, so eye products I know, and then I'm just going to go in with quite a few of my lipsticks to see if they're actually my taste or not. There'll be a few lipstick swatches at the end to see if I like them, because when I bought them you like the colour, but whether or not it suits you is another matter. So hope you guys are doing well, and if you're new to my channel, would love you to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell, and it'll let you know when I bring out a new video. So the first thing I'm going in with, which is out my primer, which is out my Project Pan, is my just conceal my bags. I don't use a lot of this, I just tap it in with my finger just to get rid of my dark circles and give it a nice little spread. I haven't really got any new eyeshadows. I have, but I want to use some of my ones that I'm testing that's in my everyday drawer, so that's the only reason why I'm not including eyeshadows. I kind of want to get use of eyeshadows that are open first. So first of all, I'm going in with the Revolution Super Dewy primer, and it's just one of those ones, and I do like these. These are good for your pores, and I tend to find that they do make a difference for me. They're not going to work for everybody, but for me they work. It does feel like silicone, so, and it has blurred my pores, so this is nice, but I didn't expect anything less from this sort of product. The next thing that I've got, which is the Dewy Skin Faux Exudation. This is from Revolution, and again I've not tried it, so I'm hoping this one's better than the last one, because the last one I was so dewy, which I didn't realise till I edited the video, how oily, wasn't even dewy, it was oily, how oily I got from it. So this is a dewy one, so I might end up too dewy, but we'll see. This is what it looks like, and I got this in F2, so I'm hoping it's not the wrong shade, but we know how well I do with shade matching. I'm going to do half on Beauty blender and half with a brush. That was one pump. I think 2 pumps plenty. So it's looking a bit pink. Draw you in a bit for this. It's a bit overcast today, which is supposed to be really good for filming, but for some reason I look really dark on this side. It's not full coverage. I don't know why I just did that part, I didn't mean to. It's definitely low, you can see. It's a little bit pink on me, so I'll bring it down my neck a bit. So I'm going to try the brush on the opposite side and see how that. Yeah, this is where you can tell it's pinker. Yeah, definitely too pink. I'm just going to go in with another pump on this and put it up here. And this is what I class as a second layer as well. So it's gone nicely into the skin. It's not sitting on top of it. It's not doing nothing funky. Looks quite nice, but obviously 2 pumps on this side has done a pretty nice job. It's still not full coverage, not what I'd class as full coverage. People disagree with everything that's full coverage or not, but for me this isn't. I'm going to use my beauty blender just to go over it, make sure it's a bit more seamless. I'm going to do my opposite side first, I think, and then I'll go over because this definitely needs another layer. Oh, I forgot my silly ears. Let's put my silly ears on. My ears. Can't see when it's this close. So it's not as dewy as what I was expecting either. It's, I don't know, I think I was just expecting it to be, especially with the primer underneath that's dewy. I was expecting more. It is dewy, I'm not saying it isn't, but just a little bit more. So far, not a bad foundation. But the other one that I reviewed of this, no, it broke down so easily on me. So the next new thing that I'm going in with, and this is the Morphe concealer, and I got this in shade C2.5. Again, this was ordered online, so whether or not it's the correct colour, we will see. Oh no, that is orange. That really is orange. No, can't do that. I have got another one. It says, let me just remove that. Oh, that's more of a colour corrector. I've got the Maybelline Instant Age Erase but this is a new package, so when I bought this, I didn't know whether it was new or what. So I've still got the old package one, and one that I haven't used, but I want to give this a go and see if there is any difference. And it's actually starting to snow here. So this has got the sponge top. See how long it takes for product to come out. You never know if you're winding it the right way. That's yellow. Looks better than the other one though did. I'm going to use my beauty blender to blend this out. That's very yellow, and that I had got that in light. So I think the other one that I got was neutral. I wouldn't really call this brilliant. I do like the finish of it. It's same finish, same coverage. It's just, well, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. So I'm just going to set under my eyes with KVD Beauty powder, because I know this works nicely. And because I've got some more cream products to go in with, I don't really want to set the base yet. So I've got the Shape and Contour from Stila. I'm going to have swatched this in another video, but it's a nice colour, but I don't want to go in heavy-handed, so I'm going to be taking just a, and then tapping it off. That's a lot of product. I wouldn't say this is a contour colour. This is definitely more of a bronzer colour for me. So that's what I'm going to treat it as, a bronzer. It's nice, it's blendable, it's going in there really, really nice. But I literally dipped in once, and the pigment's there, so this is going to last so long. Look, literally, tush. And look at that. But that's why I said it blends in nicely. It's not one of them ones that you think, oh my god, X, Y, Z. It just blends in beautifully. Yeah, definitely more of a bronzer for me. That's nice though. I do like that. I don't use the light part of it. I'm not really, I highlight my high points. The next thing that I'm going to use is the Super Skin, Maybelline Super Skin Better Skin, and this is in Ivy, and I'm just gonna use this and see. So it has got me a little bit of colouring, but not lots. Powder down them areas. It's not taken away from my bronzer contour. It's not a heavy powder. It's quite a nice powder, to be honest. It's took away some of the glow, but obviously oily girl here is going to take some of the glow away. I just want to make sure it's all padded down, so I like that. My face doesn't feel tacky now, feels nice. Another win for me. I'm just going to go in with this collection bronzer, just a little bit on a dual fibre brush, because I don't want a lot. I just want to bronze a little bit more. And I've used this recently in a video, and I think I said at the time this is a little bit red, but I couldn't remember. Now I'm remembering as I put it on, starting to remember. So guys, camera cut off when I was putting my bronzer on, so I just thought I'd do my eye look off camera because it's just a basic look with a little hint of peach to it. But I am going to go into the MAC blush and see what we get out of this. Oh, that's nice, and it's glowy as well. That's really pretty. It goes quite well actually. Maybe a little bit light. Maybe I need a denser brush, but is it better on this side? That's so nice. Very nice. If I do say so myself, a win. Then I just thought I'd take it. This is Cookie out of the Cheerleader Squad mini palette, and I'm just going to put this on. On the high points. I tell you, this is so nice. And then I blend it. It's perfect. You can have it brighter than this, but I just love the fact that you can also have it as subtle as you want, and that's what I like. Sometimes we'll have a bit of subtlety on my end of my nose. That's really, I do like this. So then I'm going to test out this Max Fix Plus, this red one. We will see how I like it. This is just the original in a red bottle. It's not until you actually use it that you notice that. I thought it was one of a special, but no, it's just Max Fix Plus, and I'm not that keen on Max Fix Plus. So I thought I'd test out some of the lipsticks that I bought from my carther Glen. So I'm going in with this TIG one first. So this is like a nudie one. Oh, this has got quite a sheen to it. That's really nice. Goes on really well. It's not dry, it's moisturising. It has got a bit of Play-Doh scent to it, but that's quite pretty. Don't go with a lot, but it's nice. Let's try another one. So this time I'm going in with this incredible gloss, and I just love this, really do. I'm hoping that it looks as good as what. Oh, look at the shine on that. That's beautiful. And it's nice because I've got that little bit of concealer underneath, so it's just giving me the perfect amount of shine. So not too sticky. No stickiness to it. I'm glad I've got that one there, so I might put that one on last. So the other ones that I got this one that I can't even say. I'll get it out for you guys. So this collection, and this is a nice nude again. So this is a darker one than the other one. That's really pretty. I do like that. Again, smooth, goes on nicely. It's not a matte formula, it's just a normal formula, so I'm happy to wear that. So then I'm going in with this Rimmel one. For some reason it just don't want to focus and it looks really bright. Oh, we got another nude. Oh, look at the gloss on this. Got a fuzzy on it already. I know that's for my cats. This is more like a balm with the colour. Very nice. It's just a very balm with the colour. Don't know what else to call it. And my lips are really smooth. So yeah, I like that. The last one I'm going to try is this Pat McGrath one. And I want to try this because I paid so much money for it. Oh, this is what it looks like. And this is really dark brown. So this is thicker than the other formulas. But it's opaque, as you can see. That's really nice. It's a matte as well, which I didn't think it was. But this is going to be one of them ones that I won't want to get rid of the box, but can't store it anyway because the box is so tight. But it's nice and I like this colour. So I'm going to put the gloss on top like I said. And oh, can you see that green in it now? Oh, that's stunning. Oh, that's beautiful. The wand's gone a bit brown, so I'm just going to wipe the wand off. Don't want brown in here. So I'm going to draw you out and give you my final review on this foundation. I would say this one is more matte than the other one, because by the time I'd done this last time I was already dewy and I was like, that's not a good look. It's not a good look. It's not become as noticeable now, as in the sense of it's, although you could tell it was the wrong colour to start off with, it's not now. You know, bronzing and everything brings it all together. The matte blush, oh, I love this. Really love this. This is so nice. The contour, really nice. I don't know why they put the light in, because I don't think anybody uses the light even when these were first out. But for me, it's a bronzer, and I will definitely be using it as a bronzer. I've used the collection bronzer before. I know this is a little bit red tone, but it does look nice on my skin. Still don't rate the Max Fix Plus, I'm sorry. I just think it's bog standard setting spray. It's as good as my Catrice one that I've used. It's good as Essence. It's not brilliant. I still don't see the hype around this. I'd rather, if I was going to pay all this money for a big one, I'd rather buy the Urban Decay All Nighter. The lipsticks, I liked them all, guys. They're all nice, they're all nudes, and they're all going in my collection. But I need to start like a new line so that I don't get mixed up with old ones. The Better Than Skin, this is really nice. Now I understand why people like it. My skin's not really dry. It wasn't dry before I put this on. It's feeling a little dry now I put this on, but it wasn't beforehand. So it's definitely this that's just made it really nice. But this has just made my face feel dry. And I'm just going to go in with me Elf Dewy setting spray. This is a bit more aggressive at your face, but it's better than this. So, and this should bring a bit of the dewiness back as well. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. Also, let me know down in the comments if you like the fact that me testing out the lipstick at the ends, like a nice idea, because then you get to see more than one lip colour that I've got. And I've got quite a few lip colours that I haven't brought because you can only bring one in a video. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.